Hello, this is Jason, and I'm here at the Hua Hin Beach watching all the kite surfers, and I got my drone sitting right down over there. Take a fly. Make sure the horse don't step on my drone. Alright.
Takeoff. All points updated.
Let's see what we can see. Stay up above all the kites. If you look down south, you can see there's like a mountain. Strong wind warning. I only got like 50% battery, so I'm not gonna be able to fly for too long. All the windsurfers is pretty cool though. Kite surfing. Very windy here. Wind definitely helps. The heat, 91 degrees. Strong winds, strong winds. Yeah, this beach is really known as like a kite windsurfing beach because it's so windy here. Alright, let's turn back this way. Here's where I'm at. .35% battery. Give you a look down south, or up north actually. That's the Hilton big hotel there. Very cool. Alright, I just wanted to give you a view of the beach. Come back in for landing. a pretty short walk for me too to get over here. See if I can get up. Let me get up a little higher just to show you. Actually, that building right there, I think, is La Casita in the background. Alright, coming in for landing. See it. There she goes. Come back with a full battery. Oh, where's the battery down quick? What's that?
Still flying this wind.
Yeah. It drains the battery fast, but it could sit. Yeah.
DJI, I've heard of it.
Yeah. This DJI Mini. They have bigger ones too that'll do even better.
Amazing, isn't it? Technology, I love it.
Yeah, I love it too. Very cool.
Well, my first day here in Hua Hin.
Oh, yeah, I've been here 2 days.
You've been here 2 days?
Yeah.
Hey, you're ahead of me.
It's very nice.
How long are you here for?
6 weeks.
6 weeks.
Yeah.
So am I. 6 weeks.
Oh, yeah?
I'll see you again then. I'm staying in Mykonos.
Okay. I'm at the La Casita right across the street.
Oh, okay.
It's beautiful. From Australia?
No, well, I did actually come from Australia, but I'm English.
Oh, you're English.
I'm near.
I have a hard time discerning the.
No, it's, people do say that.
Yeah.
To me often. It's kind of a London accent.
Okay.
But yeah, people do say. And I really put it on, mate. I could go Aussie. I really could.
That's funny. I'm from the U.S.
Yeah, I gathered that. What state are you from then?
Austin, Texas.
Oh yeah, never been there.
Yeah. Originally Ohio. But I was in Austin for 18 years.
There's no oil shortage in Texas, is
No.
there? Wow.
They got plenty of it there.
You out on your own or you with your...
It's myself.
Oh, right.
Solo traveling.
Likewise, yeah. So that's exactly what I'm doing, out on my own.
Nice.
Bit of travel, bit of this.
Yeah, I'm just roaming around Southeast Asia. I went to Bali for 2 months.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, and I was in Chiang Mai for a month, Bangkok for like 6 weeks,
Mental.
and then Vietnam for 3 months, Da Nang and Ho Chi Minh City.
Wow.
Now I'm here.
What made you come here then? Recommended to you?
I've seen some videos and stuff that made it look pretty cool.